You say hi, Mama. You say hi to Mama?
Hi, Mama.
Tell her what you're eating.
I'm pizza.
And what? What's in your green dish?
Yogurt.
Yep, pizza and yogurt. Say hi, Riley. Are you being silly now? Sawyer, can you tell Mom I love you and I'll see you tomorrow?
I love you.
Say I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yep. Dip.
I'll see you tomorrow.
You want to see the picture?